Once upon a time, in the quiet village of Puddle Bottom, there lived a dragon named Snort. Snort wasn't your typical fierce and fearsome dragon. He was actually quite friendly, loved cuddles, and drank chamomile tea. But Snort had one big fiery problem. He sneezed. A lot. Not regular, polite sneezes. Nope. Snort's sneezes were massive, earth-shaking, fire-blasting explosions of sneezy chaos. His awe show could set haystacks on fire, toast the baker's bread, and accidentally launch cows 3 fields over. The villagers liked Snort, but they also liked their homes not being turned into grilled cheese.
Can't you just hold it in?
Asked Mayor Crumble one day. Snort sniffled.
If I do, my tail twitches and smoke comes out my ears.
The villagers tried everything. They gave him nose plugs made of marshmallows. He ate them. They built him a sneeze-proof house. He sneezed it into space. They even had a wizard cast a no-sneeze spell, which just made him hiccup fire instead. One morning, Snort was sunbathing peacefully on top of Buttercup Hill when a feather floated onto his nose. His eyes crossed. His nostrils flared. Said a nearby goat. A-H-H-A, A-H-H, H-H-H-A-H-H, H-H-H, H-H, C-H-O, O-O-O, O-O. A giant fireball whooshed from his mouth across the hill and boom! Hit the tip of Mount Muffin. Now Mount Muffin hadn't erupted in 300 years until now.
The volcano.
Yelled someone from the village.
Snort did it again. Get the toast.
Luckily, instead of lava, Mount Muffin erupted in baked goods. Muffins, cupcakes, and scones rained down over Puddle Bottom. The villagers were stunned and hungry, said the baker, catching a blueberry muffin in midair.
That's delicious.
The next day, people from other towns came to see the bakery volcano. Tourists bought t-shirts that said "Sneezed and Delicious" and lined up for hours to catch exploding pastries. Snort became a hero. He was made head muffin master with his own fireproof chef's hat. Every morning, he gave the volcano a good sneeze and watched cinnamon buns fly. No one ever asked him to stop sneezing again. Well, maybe just not near the goat pen. Sometimes the thing that makes you different might just make you legendary and feed an entire town muffins.